Good morning, Lily. Good morning, Sam.
Good morning, Mom. Mom, I feel sick today.
Oh no, you have a fever.
Sam, stay in bed. Rest today. Lily, are you ready for school?
Yes, Dad, I am ready. Eat your breakfast, Lily.
I have a big meeting today. Let's go to school.
The sky is blue. It is a nice day.
Be a good girl, Lily.
Dad, please pick me up at 2 o'clock.
I promise. I will be here on time.
Bye, Dad. See you later.
Goodbye, Lily. Bye. Huh.
Welcome, Lily. We're so happy to have you.
Thank you, Mrs. Davis. I am drawing my family. Where is your brother, Sam? Sam is sick. He is at home. He is always sick. He is weak.
Stop it. Oh, that is not nice.
The quarterly report shows strong growth in the East.
Yes, the numbers are encouraging. However, we need to address the recent decline in the southern region.
This project is very important.
I need to work now.
The sky is dark. It is cold. Oh no. Oh. It is raining. Let's go home, Mummy. Where is my dad?
We need more time for this.
It is raining hard today.
I am cold. I am very wet.
Dad, please answer the phone. scared.
Look at that girl. She is alone.
Lily, do not talk to strangers. I need a safe adult. Sir, please help me.
Don't cry, little girl. What is wrong?
My dad is not here. My phone is dead.
Stay here with me. You are safe.
The meeting is over. Good job, everyone.
Oh my God. 15 missed calls from Lily. I am late. I forgot my daughter. Lily! I am coming!
Please be safe, Lily.
Lily! Lily!
Dad! I am here.
I am so sorry, Lily. I am so sorry.
I thought you forgot me.
I will never forget you again. Never.
Sir, it is dangerous to leave a child alone. I know. I made a big mistake.
Thank you for helping my daughter.
Dad, can we go home now?
Yes, Lily. Let's go home to Mom.
Drink this, Lily. It is warm.
Thank you, Mom. I am happy you are home, Lily.
Work is important, but family is more important.
I love my family.